Alright, good morning. So Shifu's away on a trip and I thought we would treat everyone to a Western breakfast. So we're going to try and make poached eggs. So eggs, jidan in Chinese. So we're going to try it Western style, but I got some bread, so mianbao. But I've already managed to crush it, so that didn't go very well. And we don't have any butter, so I don't know what we're going to do about that, but we'll give it a go. Pork lard, so that'll work as butter. Okay, good. It's good we have that. I still need to use the Translate app because or else I can't. Would we be able to use the open flame in order to toast the bread? Question mark.
明火 OK 阿姨她说想用口柴火来烤面包
Rice vinegar.
哦米醋 Yes
我们能这里
这里有粥
就
Yeah 这里有粥
So we've got somewhere to pour the eggs and now we just need to toast the bread. I've never done this before without a toaster, so we'll see how it goes. So if you've never cooked poached eggs before, shout out to my friend Lawrence who showed me this at university. So you just have a bit of vinegar in the water and it keeps the egg together really well, and then you can just have a shallow kind of frying pan or something, drop the eggs in and they're delicious with a bit of salt and pepper. Got my hands. Okay, so we've got a fire going. Normally the Western bread in China is really sweet, but I managed to find some semi-normal bread and it's actually quite nice. It needs to be higher or else it's going to burn. Oh, you do it. I can't use chopsticks.
在这上面烤。
那火全不行，太脏了
Oh god, I can't use chopsticks. Okay. Right, so that's one fairly burnt piece of toast. She just, because I've been vegetarian for ages, and she just told me that pork can't be eaten raw, and I just spread it on this piece of toast. Okay. Do we need to fry the pork in order to be safe?
烧着了。
Okay. So here, adding a bit of rice vinegar, then a bit of salt. I just remember that we don't have any knives or forks, so I'm gonna have to eat it with chopsticks. Wow. So in Chongwon, this hard,
Hard
but in Yinghua, soft.
Soft
So
那这样子
够。
good. 你们喜欢这个？
喜欢
Right, well I think that was a success, even though I crushed the bread. We didn't have any butter, didn't have a toaster, didn't have any knives or forks, but they seemed to enjoy it, so introducing a bit of Western cuisine to the East.